So we're heading up to Oregon City today. A gentleman got hold of me a few weeks ago through our Facebook page, said he had an AAR Cuda he'd like to have restored. So I'm rounding up the guys and we're heading up there today to get the car and check out his place. It just shows you what a small world the Mopar world can be. The AAR Cuda basically stands for All American Racing. It's a 340 small block engine with 3 two-barrel carburetors, and today it stands as one of the most collectible of the E-body muscle cars of all time.
Come on in.
How you doing, Chris?
Good. How
Good
you
to
doing?
see you.
Hey, my name's Chris Driscoll, and Mopar spoken here.
We open up the garage, and here's these just beautiful, classic Chrysler muscle cars that just reel you back. And it's just what a Mopar nut does. He has a 70 Cuda in sassy grass green, very rare car. He's got a convertible 71 triple black Cuda. Good luck, 383 car. I mean, they just aren't out there.
This is beautiful.
Wow.
I never dreamed I'd find a black one. They apparently they only made 4 in black.
He's got a 1970 Plymouth Cuda, factory V code 446 barrel shaker hood 4-speed car. He's got a 1970 Dodge Coronet, factory plum crazy Ram Charger hood with a white top and white guts. Beautiful car.
This is a 70 Coronet RT. It's the rarest of all the B bodies, and a lot of people don't know that. They only made 2,300 of them.
The cars that he has here, I think, are probably the most desirable cars, some of the most desirable Mopars on the planet, and they're all under one roof.
Just actually being up close and personal with these cars, he's taken such great care of them, and he loves them. He has a passion for them.
It's a great collection. I'm very jealous and envious of them.
As many cars as we do, we still don't get a chance to be this close to some of this rare car.
I mean, these cars are just flat out amazing, beautiful pieces of American culture. They're why I do what I do.